I know a lot of people have purchased the new iPhone 17 series, could be the Air, could be the 17 itself, or the Pro or the Pro Max. However, the one question that people want an answer to is, how do I transfer all of my data from the older iPhone to the new iPhone? So, in this video, I will show you step by steps of how to transfer everything. And when I say everything, absolutely everything from the old iPhone to the new iPhone. Let's go. Alright, first you need to power your new iPhone on till the time you see this Apple logo pop up. Keep your phone that you want to transfer very near to the new iPhone, because otherwise it will not work. And obviously a lot of people get confused what kind of data will be transferred. I am telling you, with this you will be able to transfer everything, all of the applications, the setup. So once the phone has been turned on, okay, this should not happen. Yeah, after you've run through the initial setup, you will get this notification of setting up a new iPhone on your older one with the same Apple ID. Just go ahead and click continue, Face ID, and after authentication is done, this little code, it's a code that will pop up. You'll need to point this camera onto this code to basically continue with the setup. And there we go. It's getting everything ready now. So the connection now between the two phones has been established, and it will basically ask who is signing up, set up for me. So yes, this is basically the setup that you would want. Confirm this. Obviously it will ask for a passcode. Now this passcode needs to be the one that is on this phone. So you enter that. Just toggle through these options. You can set up Face ID later. Transfer data from side. If you're moving all of this, just make sure you read all of this, and it also gives you an estimated time to transfer all of this. And make sure when you are transferring, keep both the phones plugged into a charger so the battery doesn't die down. Hit continue. It sets up an account, and while it will give you an estimate of around maybe 15 hours, 20 hours, all of the data will be transferred within, I guess, 6-7 hours, and that is all that it takes. If your data on the older phone is around 250 GB, then it will take around 6 to 7 hours. But if it's lesser than that, it could be faster. It totally depends on the Wi-Fi connection of how quick is it. So this is the animation that you will see when the transfer is happening. Basically, everything is getting transferred to the new iPhone. Like it said, just enter the passcode, and this is the passcode that you will need to enter on this phone to protect the data on this one. You also get a notification of asking whether you want to make this your new iPhone or not. All of the data is right now available here. It also transfers applications, settings, and even the Apple Watch data. You can customize it, or you can just hit continue. After you hit that, another device gets added to your account. You hit OK. Turn on location services, you can set it up later. So all of these customizations are available when you are trying to set up. Apple Intelligence also you can set up later. And the camera control, again, just need to tap the button over there. Siri also can be set up later. Emergency services. This is the animation, which is the primary animation, which transfers all of the data from one phone to another. And it's showing the estimate time remaining, which again might be showing 15 hours to 20 hours, but that's not the case. It gets transferred in much lesser time. So after this is done, you will have your older iPhone just copied into your new iPhone, and I'll show you how it looks exactly.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is another phone, by the way, which I have set up using the same steps. And as you can see, it's exactly a replica of the same. If I go, and it is exactly the same. All the position of the applications, everything is exactly the same. So this is what happens when you are transferring through this method. Every application, everything remains the same. Also, one thing that you need to make sure, since if you are shifting to the iPhone Air, you will be prompted to switch to an eSIM, and that will also happen in this procedure. So be patient, do not cancel the transfer in between. All of the placements of the application in the folder, everything will be the same. You won't have to change anything, and that's the best way to transfer all of the data from the old iPhone to the new iPhone. So these were some simple steps to transfer everything onto your new iPhone. If you run into any trouble, do let us know in the comments section. We'll try to help you out. And for more tech videos, do follow us.